Hi there guys, Emmanuel here, and you've probably found this video because you're looking into this click and bank. You're probably looking for a click and bank review, or you're just doing your research to see if this is for you or not, or if you want to purchase it or not. So I'm going to get into that in a second, but if you're not already a subscriber to the channel, then please just take a second and hit the subscribe button. It'll be below this video here, and also tick on the bell icon, so that anytime I do release new videos, you won't miss out. And I'm constantly doing that, releasing videos I think going to help you. Anything, any tips, any tricks, anything I learn, any companies that I think could be worth looking at, then I release a video. So make sure you don't miss out on that and hit the subscribe button below. Okay, also I do have a free 4-part affiliate marketing course, and you can get access to that at any time by just clicking the link below this video as well. Okay then, so let's get started with this click and banks. So yeah, not to be confused with click bank, this is called click and bank, and what in essence it's doing, it's helping you to sell click bank products. So can get a bit confusing. Click bank products, but using blogging. It's like a piece of software that goes out there and creates blogs for you, like small websites, blog sites, creates blog sites that are targeted to whatever niche you want. Yes, so that's in essence what it does. You know what it does, that it creates the site for you, creates these sites with articles on them, videos on them, bonuses on them, and it sells whatever clickbank products in your niche for you. So in essence, it says you've got to do 3 things when you get involved in this. Yes, the first thing is you got to pick a niche, and you pick a niche from clickbank. It's actually a Warrior Plus product. Yeah, so that's similar to clickbank, but it's another platform. So Warrior Plus product, but it's actually selling clickbank products. Yes, so so yeah, you can see this, it's a little bit confusing there, but anyway, so it sells clickbank products. The first thing it asks you to do is pick a niche from the 23 different niches you can pick on clickbank. So once you pick a niche, it will be trying to sell products from that niche for you on the blog sites that it creates. Yeah, then the second thing is you put your clickbank ID in. Yeah, it's got a back office when you get in, and you've got to fill these little forms out so it can go out and do this little blogging for you. So you put your clickbank ID. You can get that for free. If you're a clickbank, you just go and join clickbank and you get that for free. And then the third thing is that's it really. Basically you press start and it goes out there and it starts finding articles for you in your niche, or creating articles, doing what we call spinning articles. So it goes and finds articles in your niche. So say your niche is, I don't know, bodybuilding or losing weight. It will go to other losing weight sites and either borrow their articles, because you can use other people's articles as long as you tag them at the bottom to say this is not my articles, from someone else, or it'll go and find articles somewhere else and it'll do what we call spin the articles. So it changes them around so that they still can kind of make sense. Do you know what I mean? But they're not. It's unique content. Google thinks it's unique content because it's not exactly the same as somebody else's. Yeah, I hope all that makes sense. But then this was what it will do every day. It will keep putting a new article on this site that it makes for you. Now the point of this is that Google likes content. You know, we do know that Google likes content. It likes you. So it's doing all that sort of stuff for you. It's creating content for you every day, going out, sourcing content, creating content. And what you're hoping then is that because you're creating so much content in the same niche, Google are going to love your site and they're going to rank your site. So your articles are going to rank #1 on Google. People are going to find it for that niche. They're going to come to your website. They're going to read these articles, and then there's going to be links on the articles that they can hopefully click on, and then they'll buy your clickbank products. That's sort of what this software is aiming at doing. Now, to buy the software itself is, if we come down, we have a look here. This is the sales page. It's basically just sold on a video, really. You know, there's one video there, but the owner, Dan Brown, is just telling you what it's all about. It's got a countdown timer here that's finished, but you can still buy it. Yeah, and when you click up to the sales page, it's actually $47. It's $47 to buy, and that's $47 a month. Then you're going to be hit with 5 upsells. There's 5 different upsells, which for me, that's quite a lot. There's a lot of upsells. One of them is to say you can do it pro. So rather than just being able to do a couple of sites, I think now with pro, you can do unlimited sites. You can, the next upsell, and that's $47. The next one's $27. They help you do like Amazon products now more. That's $27 a month. Again, you know, if you're doing clickbank products, why would you want to do Amazon products as well? But that's fine. There's a done for you. That's the third one, $197, and they do everything for you. They go and they create the niche. They find the products. They do everything for you. They put the sites up. I mean, from what I can see, there's not that much work to put it up yourself. But if you want someone else to do that for $197 and you want completely hands-free, then you can pay that. Then the next thing is you can commercially sell it to other people, put it on their site, supposedly sell it as I can help you get traffic. And then the last thing is you can actually sell this. You get 100% license to sell this and make all the money from it. And that's another $197. You know, so, you know, that's it in a nutshell, really. I mean, first things first, I got to be honest, I've seen things like this before. I actually had something like this before, but it's not the actual, here's the problem. The articles don't rank. Yeah, because the articles, one, they're very poorly written a lot of the times. They don't make sense. The spun articles are you get articles and you just spin them. It's a software, it just spins them. It doesn't realize that the grammar's not great unless you've got a really, really good article spinner. And those cost a lot of money. It's not going to be for $67. There's no way. So you're not going to have very good articles, yes? Or if you go and borrow other people's articles and you just give them the recognition, they've already ranked for someone else, so they're not going to re-rank for you. So this is one of the things here. Your articles aren't going to rank. So you're going to find your articles on page 10 of Google, which isn't going to be helpful for you. The other thing is Google's they know about this sort of stuff. Back in the day, you could get away with this. Now with their updates, Hummingbird and all stuff like that, they'll know that this is duplicate content and you'll get your site shut down. You know, the way people make money from blogging is they write their own stuff. And they write a lot of it. And then eventually that stuff starts to rank. And then people start to like their articles and they follow them and then they buy from them. This sort of stuff, I would be very shocked if your articles rank. I'll be very shocked. You see, because all this stuff that you're looking at, the reviews and that, I looked at a lot of them, but none of them were talking about, oh, I rank #1 on Google. They'll just said, oh, it's very, very easy to get articles. You get an article a day. You also get articles with videos included. You also get bonuses. You know, all of that is great. All of that is really, really great. If it done what it said on the tin, which is what you want it to do, you want it to rank #1 on Google. If you want to use this to put up articles, obscure articles that just float around nowhere in Google, but maybe they have a link to your original website. So it's like what we call backlinking. Then yeah, there's a strategy there. But this isn't for that. This is supposedly your #1 strategy you're going to make tons of money from this, selling either this or selling clickbank products. It's more than likely, I don't think it's going to work. I don't think it will work. I don't think this stuff will rank. And I think you'll get blasted by Google if you're not careful, you know. But, you know, that's what I think of it. It's $47. If you want to give it a go for $47, then, you know, it's not a lot to lose. But for me, I wouldn't. Because I know that more than likely this sort of stuff is not going to rank. If you're doing it for a higher strategy to get backlinks, then maybe, yeah. But as for just selling stuff directly, clickbank products from this, then no, I don't think it will do. And as well as that, it's $47 a month. You know, if you just want to try it for the 1 month, that's fine. But how many months are you going to stay in it to find out? But anyway, listen, I hope that's some value for you. If you want to have a look at it, then that's fine. But if what you're actually looking for, if you're not actually looking to buy this click and bank, what you're looking for is a way to make some money online, then, you know, I can kind of help you with that part because I've been marketing online for over 10 years now. When I first started, I'd done all of this sort of stuff. I'd done these type of done for you stuff. I'd done the network marketing, MLM, you name it, I've done it, the traffic stuff, and it was just so confusing because everybody's telling you that they're making tons and tons of money, and I was making commissions, but I wasn't making this tons of money that everyone was saying. So I went on that journey. That's why I'd done so much, this shiny object journey, tried this, none of it was working. In fact, I got to a point where I actually gave up. I just thought it's just too much. But in that time, I actually slowed things down. And I was lucky enough in that time. It was still in my head. It was a snoring thing that I just had to do. I found 2 mentors and they showed me the basics of affiliate marketing. They showed me how to get traffic, how to convert that traffic into leads, how to turn those leads into sales, and how to do that on a consistent basis. And so, you know, that's the basics of affiliate marketing. So that's what now I teach other people. And so I put together a 4-part video marketing course that will teach you that. To teach you the basics, how to go from where you are now to making consistent sales. Do you know what I mean? And so if you want access to that, then all you got to do is just click on the link below. You get completely free access to that 4-part video training course. But anyway, listen, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, then please take the time, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from this as well. And also, if you have any questions, any comments at all, then just leave it in the comments box below. Alright guys, once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, take care. Speak soon. All the best.